and welcome to Albert's Voice Chef. I'm Albert, your chef, and we're going to be making celery drink. Celery drink. So when you buy the celery, you stick it in the freezer. So fresh as this, okay? Take some and ice cubes. That's all you really need. 4 ice cubes into a high-speed blender. So you take 4 ice cubes and you put it in the blender. 1 stalk of celery, like this. You put it in there. There's another one. Make sure you snap it, unless your blender can destroy it and pulverize it, like so. Okay, so it's done. I do it a couple of times to pulverize it. You know, you can have it in your favorite mug, or you can have it in your glass. For this video, I'll just put it in the glass. And this is what you drink. There's no added sugar or nothing else. This is what you drink 3 times a day, or this is going to filter out your kidney. Always check with your medical professional before having anything. I'm just letting you know. And then you just drink it. Oh, excuse me. Hits the spot. It's good. It takes care of your kidney. Takes care of swelling in your leg. Puffy eyes. Always seek a medical professional before attempting this. This video is for food purposes. And educational too. Educational food purposes. That's all. But I just want to show you what I have every morning. And pretty much in the day. Now we're going to make another drink and I'm going to show you what that's about. Okay? But this is what you have. So you don't need anything else. You don't need to use so much sugar. You don't need to buy all that sugary stuff. Why? Why put in extra pounds when you don't have to? This is better for you. And that stuff is cheap. Walmart. That's why I got that from. Yeah. And don't pre-cut. They're on the top shelf. It depends, but you know, it's in the produce. And it's refrigerated so to keep cold. Voila. Hey, take care. Subscribe so more videos can come out. Come on.